All right, so I'm getting ready to head to the dyno right now for the baseline test before we add any modifications or parts. We'll see how it does.
It's gotta be real. It's gotta be real.
Just got to the dyno. Travis is pulling in and be here in just a second. Thanks, Travis.
Thank you.
So I've ordered a bunch of parts for my 2024 Integra Type S. I've got the PRL intercooler, PRL intake, the TSP downpipe, the PRL front pipe. Also got some HSP charge pipes coming in, and the PRL rear mount. Got the intercooler already and the front pipe. All the rest of the stuff I'm waiting. It's on back order. Apparently all these parts are really popular today. As a matter of fact, today at the dyno, I got a call from HPS. They had an issue with their website. They are missing couplers that they said they had in stock. So that's pushing that back a little bit as well. But I wanted to go ahead and get a baseline done before I start adding parts, which I did today. Didn't go as well as I had planned. Had a little glitch. Did the pedal dance to turn off VSA, thinking that was what we needed to do with the dyno. Apparently not. Most cars are not supposed to do this with the VSA disabled, I'm assuming. I've never disabled my VSA before today, but when we disabled it at the dyno, all the sensors went out. It said that nothing was working. All the lights came on. It was stuck in sport mode. We could not change it to Sport Plus. I could not change it to Comfort. Tried turning the car off, letting it sit, turn it back on. Nothing would reset. So we went ahead and did 2 pulls with it in sport mode, and I'm assuming because the ECU was acting a fool, the curves they're not straight, not very linear, I should say. They're up and down all over the place. So it was kind of weird. But anyway, with it in glitching sport mode, got a 279 at the wheel and 298 foot-pound of torque. So got a baseline now to see what all these parts are actually going to do. And hopefully once I get all the parts in and installed, we're going to do a couple of dynos between the part installs, and hopefully figure out what's going on with this VSA situation. I'm going to try turning off the VSA again tomorrow. Side note, coming back from the dyno, it's a little drive. Coming back from the dyno, about 20 minutes in the drive, I pulled over to the gas station, turned the car off, and when I turned the car back on from the gas station, everything was back to normal. So I'm guessing you just have to drive it for about 15 minutes and then cut the car off, cover it back on for everything to sync back up. Still don't have an explanation. Anybody watching this video has had any similar problems or knows what's going on, please leave a comment and let me know. Definitely I'm curious, but I'm going to do some testing on my own, and we'll see. More particulars about the dyno run today. It was done on a Mustang dyno, and it was approximately 63 degrees, and both pulls were done in 4th gear. So yeah, I've created a little channel for this. I'm gonna record the installs and then the dynos and test everything so that y'all can see what all these bolt-ons do for a 2004 ITS. So like, subscribe, and see the rest of the updates as they come out.